She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a video request. Someone commented on my last hair blending video, wanted me to try color 613, 4, and 27. She said for chocolate girl, so of course your girl had to go get those colors and do this blend. So I'm showing you the braiding hair and that they are all the same length this time around. This is the brush that I'm using to help with my blending, just a regular denim brush if you guys wanted to know. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my other hair blending videos. I think what I'm going to do is just do a series of these and put this in a playlist because I think these are really fun and I see that you guys do enjoy those. I won't be doing too much talking in this video, but I do encourage you guys to watch the entire video because towards the end, I'm going to be blending these 3 colors in 3 different ratios to give you guys 3 different shades. So you'll see a lighter color, a medium, and then kind of like a darker color. So stick around just to see the different shades that you can get out of blending these 3 colors. And I really hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. We got a lot to come, and I appreciate all the love that you guys have been giving me so far. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you want to see. If you want me to continue doing these hair blends, what colors do you want me to blend? Just give me some video ideas, you guys. You never know, it might be featured in my next video. So again, thank you guys so much.